Hello, I'm Jordan Yorith from Monroe. Today I'm in Adel on Beech Walk to show you this fantastic 4-bedroom detached property which sits on a large plot and has lots of scope to extend. Welcome to 5 Beech Walk. Downstairs, this family home offers a plethora of reception rooms with a fantastic handmade kitchen featuring granite worktops which flow seamlessly open plan through to this orangery. Furthermore, there's also a snug office and a formal living room, not to mention an integral garage and gym. The kitchen features unfinished travertine flooring and all appliances are available by negotiation. Upstairs we have 4 double bedrooms in total, 2 of which are en suite, and the principal also comes with a walk-in wardrobe. Furthermore, there is potential to extend upwards into the large attic space and create additional bedrooms. This property is the perfect place to entertain from, but also to raise a family. To find out more and arrange your viewing, please call Monroe.